You good? You got this way?
Bulletproof vest was not the best. Run that black car behind us. No way they can shoot us.
Hey, do we got anybody on top of Burger Town?
Covering your left.
Okay,
yeah.
cool.
Are they on tower?
Move, guys, let's go!
They're not that far up. Moving up. See him coming in the woods?
Yeah. Yeah. We got him. 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 We got him.
If you didn't get him, both of us got him somewhere.
There.
What's your name? Jacob. I'm with you, Joe, on your left.
All right, cool. I'm going to the right. I'm going to the right. Tell me when they start moving close.
Yeah. Got guys moving past that red
Definitely van.
Hey, start watching it that way.
Three guys in the woods on your left. Joe,
Huh?
left side DMR, you got 3 in the woods.
How far?
Keep back out, they're hiding.
Okay, cool, cool, cool. Tell me when they get closer.
I got your right side. They're out of the woods, don't worry about them. To your right. No, here he is. You see him right there in the woods.
Hold on, I gotta wind up.
Oh, shit.
Keep up back, keep up back.
I'm taking fire. Got a DMR past the red on the right, Joe. I can't get it.
I can't see him. I can't see him.
On the right.
I can't see him, bro.
I'm trying to come over to you. I only got one life left.
You're gonna go, I'd go that way.
Yeah, I know. It's not a bad idea, bro.
Hey, hurry up, get here. I didn't want y'all to get here. I'm finna try to push up. I need you to stay there. I need you to come here. You come, no, go there.
Yeah.
So you will get his line of fire.
Here it goes, right there.
I can't get him. He ain't peeking yet. I need him to start peeking.
He's going up the stairs.
I know.
I got hit. Okay. I got hit in the gun.
Whatever he pick up, bro.
He's in the tower.
Yeah.
Hang it, I'm out. I'm gonna reload.
Go ahead. You covered.
Hey Joe, can you hit that dude behind tank? He's not calling us in.
Hold on, I gotta wait. I gotta let my man do his go. You covered? You loaded?
Okay.
Finally.
You got her?
I'm loaded in. I'm loaded.
Hey, watch this guy this tower too, bro.
Yep.
Hey, you get him. That smoke did not help him.
Not at all.
For sure. Hey, he's behind that truck right there. Behind that truck right there.
I lit his ass up.
You really did. You gunned him down. There's a dude behind the tank.
I
He's
know,
not
I'll
calling
try
fits.
I'll try to get him.
I shot his foot twice. He's not calling fits. Twice. He's not calling fits.
I got him. I got him. You heard me? I got his ass.
Yeah, he made me mad, dude. I was shooting his knee for like 30 minutes.
Coming in the woods and left. Hit him. Right there, Joe.
Hold on, I gotta wire it up. Cover, try to get it.
Damn, I gotta lift up a crap mag.
Where you at?
See him going in the woods. Going. I think he's going back to respawn. If he ain't hit, he ain't.
Wind up mags. You want to trap now?
Hey, I want to get behind this red truck.
Hey, wind up mags.
Hey, I'm finna push up to this red truck.
Okay.
I'm with you, Joe.
Okay, watch this side. I got this.
You see that guy peeping around that building right in front of you?
Yeah.
You got him, and I watch your left.
Huh?
Yeah, you can see people. I can't reach them. Maybe you can because your gun's got to do this. You got some over here by the tower, right in that tree branch, and you also got some in bank.
Okay, cool. In bank?
Yeah, the bad guys are all in bank.
Damn, they got in. As soon as I was up there.
Oh shit! Woo! They're shooting now. Yeah, that's bank right there. I'm actually.
Hey! Hey, guy! Move! Damn.
Run, Forrest, run!
Where we at, bro? Where we at?
Oh, we have to go to the red maroon truck.
Huh?
Or we have to go to maroon.
Yeah, we got the maroon truck.
I'm gonna run now. You safe, yeah.
Hey, you see that guy? Hey, y'all, watch bank. I got these guys.
Down. Hey, does anyone have 3Ks?
Hey, watch that side.
Oh shit.
Yep, I got him.
There's one peeking there.
Hey, we got one guy pushing that way.
They're still on bank.
I shot the shit out of my friend. He ran through it. I shot the shit out of his ass. He ran through about line of fire. That's crazy, ain't it?
I think we ate him up.
Fucked him up.
Okay.
Yeah.
Dude, I just stayed there.
I know. Once I got back out, when I came back in, I literally got there and everybody you could see, I was peeking them. Peeking the shit out their ass, bro.
I didn't even use full auto.
I knew you.
Be easy, I just used my burst.
If I use full auto on this, it's fast.